Bukas naman ang Department of Foreign Affairs na makipag-usap sa China upang maresolba na ng tuluyan ng sigalot sa West Philippine Sea. Tugon ito ng DFA sa panukala ng Senado na magkaroon ng masinsinang pag-uusap ang Pilipinas at China sa issue sa WPS. Yan ang ulat ni Gab Villegas.
Suportado ng Department of Foreign Affairs ang plano ng Senado na makipag-usap sa Chinese Embassy para magkaroon ng isang matapat at profesional na diskusyon kaugnay ng nagpapatuloy na sigalot sa West Philippine Sea. Ayon kay DFA spokesperson on Maritime Affairs Bong Villanueva, handa ang kagawaran na tulungan ang Senado kung kinakailangan.
Even as the DFA deepens alliances and partnerships with like-minded countries, it also maintains open lines of communication with the Chinese side in pursuit of candid, constructive dialogue and practical cooperation.
Umapela rin ang kagawaran na tignan ang mga opisyal na pahayag ng Pilipinas sa tamang konteksto nito, alinsunod sa foreign policy na ipinapatupad ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., partikular ang mga usapin na may kinalaman sa pambansang interes.
The DFA calls for constructive engagement that advances the country's shared defense of its position in the West Philippine Sea, consistent with President Marcos' independent foreign policy and in accordance with international law.
Binanggit rin ng DFA na naglabas ng administrative map ang National Mapping and Resource Information Authority o NAMRIA na malinaw na tumutukoy sa mga hangganan ng bansa kung saan sakop ng ating teritoryo ang Kalayaan Group of Islands, Bajo de Masinloc at iba pang mga mahalagang lugar.
The DFA reiterates that the Philippines' sovereignty over its archipelago and other territories, including Bajo de Masinloc, the high tide features of the Kalayaan Island Group, and other relevant areas, as well as its jurisdiction over maritime entitlements under UNCLOS, as clarified by the 2016 Arbitral Award, are incontrovertible. These rights are firmly grounded in international law. Established legal principles, effective control, and recognition through international treaties and agreements.
Patuloy naman na pinalalakas ng DFA ang ating maritime relations sa ibang bansa habang pinagpapatuloy nito ang paggiit sa ating soberanya.
The DFA reaffirms its unwavering commitment to protecting the Philippines' sovereignty, sovereign rights, and jurisdiction, and will continue to champion the country's maritime rights and interests through effective and principled diplomacy.
Gab Villegas para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.